everyone, this is Saurabh Sharma and I'm an assistant professor in Department of Commerce at SD College of Commerce. And yesterday we started a series on the accounting of share capital, and this is the sixth part of the share capital. In the first part we covered the meaning and the basic of share capital, and in the second video I taught you about the equity shares and the preference share, and in the third part I taught you about the sweat equity, and in the fourth part I taught you about the difference between the equity shares and preference share, and in the last part I taught you about the different kinds of share capital. And in today's video I'm going to teach you one of the most important topic of the share capital, which is minimum subscription. And what is minimum subscription? Let's understand it first. When the company issues share, when XYZ company assume that Reliance Limited issues share to the public, assume 10 lakh shares, and in return company will not get the good response. Company got only 20% response and 30% response, or the 40% or 50% response. This is that much response what is required to form a company. Public must have to apply for the shares, which is at least 90%. The ceiling limit prescribed by the companies at 2013 and 1956 is 90%. If company is not getting the 90% shares and as application, the company will have to refund the money to the public, to the applicants, and the time limit to refund the money is 15 days without interest. And if company is not able to refund the money within 50 days, companies act is strict with this. Companies act says if you do not able to pay the money of the shareholders, the money of the applicants, money of the general public, then you have to pay interest with the principal amount. Okay, and how much the interest? Let's read it thoroughly. First, we will read it. A company cannot allow security to public unless minimum subscription. What it means, when company issue share, it must get minimum subscription, which is 90%, which is 90%. Okay, stated in the prospectus has been subscribed or raised. But the minimum subscription is the amount which is the opinion of the board of director must be raised by the issue of share, so that the company may necessary funds. The core reason behind the minimum subscription is the company may have necessary funds to carry out its objective. Okay guys, so minimum subscription amount is most important thing. If you want to continue your company, if you are not able to continue your company, then whole money invested to form a company for the of the prospectus and the memorandum of association of article of association and the fees of chartered accountant and the company secretary and the solicitors of the Supreme Court and the High Court is completely vanished and raised. So before issuing share, the company must conduct the market survey that public is interested to buy the shares or not. Okay guys, let's understand the next topic, that is terms of issue of share. That company can issue of share at maybe at par or maybe at premium, but not at discount, not at sorry sorry guys, but not at discount. It means company is not allowed to issue share at discount. Sorry, there is a technical problem in picking up the pen board. Let's wait for a second so that I can pick my desirable pen. Oh, I will get it now. So you are not allowed to share issue at discount in specific case. Only in case you can issue share at discount only in case of sweat equity. Okay. Then nominal value of the share capital mentioned in the memorandum of association is the face value or the nominal value of the company. Issue price. Company can issue share at a par, at a premium, but not at discount. What is the meaning of issue of share at par and the premium or at discount? Let's understand it with an example. The face value which is written in the memorandum is rupees 10. If company issue share having face value of rupees 10 in 10 rupees, then it is called par. What we called it? Issue at par value. If we issue share, if the company issue share of rupees 10 at rupees 12, this is called issue of share at premium. Okay, when the value of rupee face value of the share is rupees 10 and you issued the share to the general public in rupees 10, then we will call it issue of share at par. In the practical sense, it is not allowed to issue share at par because generally companies issue share at a premium value because they are well established, and to reduce their subscription fees, to reduce their subscribing fee of the memorandum, the company register their share capital with the par value, and when required company issue share at a premium value. Now the question comes to the mind that how much premium can be raised through issue of share. So guys, let's understand it particularly carefully, that there is no limit of the premium. You can issue rupees 10 share in at 100 rupee and 1000 rupees and lakhs and crores and anything else. There is no prescribed limit by the Companies Act or any other rules or any other schedule. Okay, guys. So when you issue rupees 10 share in rupees 10, then it is called issue of share at par. When you issue rupees 10 share in rupees 12, in that case, the 10 rupee is the face value and 10 rupee is the rupees 10 is the face value and rupees 2 is premium. Okay, guys. Now we will understand the meaning of issue of share at discount. Suppose the face value of share is rupees 10, and if we issue share of rupees 10 in rupees 8, then it is called the issue of share at discount. Wait. Issue of share is at discount is not allowed at all, but allowed only in case of sweat equity shares. Okay, guys. So company can issue share at rupees at par at premium only, but at discount in case of sweat equity only. Let's read it. Issue of share. The price the price at which shares are issued called issue of share at par. Par issue price is equal to face value, and premium issue price is more than the face value. example 10 rupees and 10 rupees, and a discount when issue price is less than the face value, and this is possible only in case of sweat equity. The guys, bye bye, take care.